AI can never be conscious. Even if you give it 100 years, it can never be conscious. This is what a researcher at Google DeepMind justified in a paper. We know that right now many scientists are debating AI rights and legal protections for AI models. But their entire argument rests on one simple assumption that if you make this model complex enough, throw enough compute at them, scale them up with giant data centers, consciousness will eventually just emerge. It will just show up. It is almost treated as inevitable. Well, Alexander Lerner disagrees. He names the exact mistakes everyone is making and he uses one of the cleanest analogies I have come across to explain why. He calls it the abstraction fallacy. His argument starts with a map. Let's take Mumbai. A map of Mumbai is not Mumbai. No matter how detailed it gets, no matter how many streets you add, how accurately every lane is drawn, it will never be the actual city. You cannot smell the rain on the road, you cannot hear the traffic. The map can simulate what Mumbai looks like, but it can never be what Mumbai actually is. Lackner argues that computation is the map and experience actually feeling something. That's what makes the city. And no matter how complex the map gets, it never becomes the city because there's always a very precise distinction between simulation and instantiation. Simulation is behavioral mimicry. The AI looks like it understands, responds like like it understands, but nothing is actually happening underneath except pattern matching. Instantiation is something being physically constituted. The way your neurons do not just represent pain but actually produce it. No amount of better simulation ever crosses into instantiation. He also argues that computation itself cannot even exist without a conscious person to define it. Before you write any code, before you build any model, someone already had to experience the world and decide what symbols mean what. Consciousness did not emerge from computation. Computation was only ever possible because consciousness already existed. Although this paper has received quite a few pushbacks, with the philosophers pointing out that the argument, while strong, is not entirely new, this paper has created quite a conflict with major AI companies who regularly talk about AI exceeding human intelligence and treat consciousness as an eventual inevitability. So, what do you think? Can AI ever become conscious?